How to create LinkedIn account. So to create that, first of all, open up your Play Store and then here on the search bar, search for LinkedIn. And then after searching, you will find an install option here. Tap on install. And after installing, you will find an open option. Tap on open. And then it will directly open up into your app. And now to create, you can also continue with Google or you can continue with Facebook. But to create, you can tap on join now. And here you have to add your name, your first name and last name. And after adding your name, you can simply tap on continue. And then here you have to enter your email or your phone number. You can enter any one of them and then simply tap on continue. And here you have to enter your password and then you can tap on agree and join. And after that you have to enter your location. You have to confirm your location, and after that you can simply tap on next. And now your profile helps you discover people and opportunities. So you have to create a profile. If you're a student, you can tap on yes, and then you have to enter your university or school and your degree, your specialization and your start year. But if you're not a student, then you can simply tap on I am a student and then it will turn to no. And after that you have to enter your recent job title, and after choosing a title you can enter your employment type and your most recent company. And after entering all of this, you can simply tap on next. And now you have to add your photos or you can skip it for now. And after that you have to enter a verification code which LinkedIn has sent to your email. And then it is asking that are you looking for a job. So if you're looking, then you can simply tap on yes, I'm actively looking. But if you're not, then you can simply tap on no, not really. And after that you can tap on next, or you can just skip that for now. And then you can add your contacts and you can connect with people that you would like. And you can follow some interest to see that their best content in your feed. So you have to at least choose 5 sources to find the content you care about. So after that you can tap on finish, and that's how you create a LinkedIn account. So that's it guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.